Ito, don't too much.
Gikilig. Is he a boy or a girl?
Boy. He's
Muro.
a boy.
Naman siya yung bata ako pag last time pero di ba kayo siya kita to? Bye. Pero nalingaw siya, girl. Nalingaw siya, maragay siya ngalan. Maragay, ay, bago lagi ningingin ko. Hindi lagi niya akong tao.
You want to eat?
Lo, ganahan.
He's hungry. He's hungry.
No, just give him milk. It's full.
Shoes.
Tono? He wants to drink?
What are you doing?
Saan na pagka? At least makuan.
Sa bata ba na siya kaya pa dumapigo? Kaya pa basa ba? Hey! Don't get this toy. Is he a boy or girl? Boy. Boy. Are you a boy?
Gig sa kilay. Go there.
You want to play with him in the park?
Why?
Ito na ito dito sa kuwan girl ba? Ito na inside.
Asa man?
Siya inside playground ba? Pag mga kuwan.
Asa malapit?
Ito na sa unahan ko.
Libre?
Libre gagi ka.
Ay, di. Ana, di ay ka ng playground, ay ka ng mga toys nga na. Kung murag mabili ni mo, di po ibili.
Nawa ni bata din. Biyaan na itong ano, kagiyaya ba ito siya? Mama, pero bata na ako.
Girl.
Hey, don't forget me. Ano guni mo? First cherry blossom. Bago man na allergic na siya.
Kuya niya, uy.
Mga balo, pollen mo.
Wala mag-allergy.
Nung dabi-dabi lang kaya. Ano daw, allergy daw. Ano daw ulit kinawad ba? Pero yun nila, allergy daw, ma-develop too much exposure. So, di na siya ingon kay allergy na kada na. Too much exposure.
Too much?
Like, always na yun. Hindi na exposed.
Maunang ma-allergy ka?
Abi kina ho allergy kina kasi muna sa din dili ka allergic din allergy din ka kay too much exposure. Kaya na mo sa una.
Kasi imong too much di ay.
Amo ka.
What is he doing? Hmm?
Wait.
What is he doing?
He's doing something.
What is it?
He's doing something.
Careful. Okay. Sige, nagkaon yung anak, girl. Magtamis. Saan yung magluluto? Come on. Siya ka ubi. Ada ubi dali? Yang yam? What is he doing? You check. What is he doing? I can't see him.
The baby said don't eat too much candy.
Look, this baby. You touch baby. Hey baby, like that. Baby. Ay, good luck to me. Wala, hilak. Katawa. Quiet gulo. Hindi. Ala, uli. Una ni mama, no? And you gonna take care of baby. Sevi, you gonna take care of baby.
No.
Your mama will take baby to your house.
No, we have 2 Sevis. 1 Sevi, 2 Sevi.
Yeah.
What?
But what?
Hello girl, ganahan siya manghud girl.
Cute.
Kapatay.
But
You want a baby brother or sister?
Don't touch it.
Huh? You want a baby brother or sister?
brother.
Hello, brother.
Wala akong gitara. Panday mo nang gidali na kukuha na yung mga anak ako yung sa mga pinakoy na na ibig siya.
Mama, wait. I got it.
Hello, you carry. Gisugo pa. You want to bring him home?
Yes.
No, you want to bring him home?
Yeah.
So you're not a baby anymore of your mama and papa?
I'm good.
What's that?
I'll hold it down.
Hold it? No!
You want to hold him?
No, he's still a baby.
We can't carry this.
You can carry this though.
Wait. I don't.
Lala. Sakit yun kasi bi oy. Ganahan man day ka.